Hi viewers! In the previous episode we were using filter method from the tweepy library to stream the tweets into our machine. But a lot of you asked how to save the data into the CSV file. So today we are gonna find out. The first step is to go into the Twitter API GitHub and clone the repository from here. Just like that. I'm just gonna change the directory into that new folder and open up Visual Studio Code. Yep. The code is in the directory starting with free search. I'm just gonna open the source code for that, and to run it we need to install one library called python.env. Let's install that, and that error should go away. The second step is to populate the env file with our Twitter credentials. The tutorial how to do that is in the previous episode. So I'm just gonna paste them in. And to run that script, we can just click the green icon here. And it's done. As you can see, our script printed done, and we have a new file called elon_tweets.csv, just as we requested. Open it, and we've got the tweets. The CSV file consists of two columns, created at and the text. And it's all here. Let's take a closer look about how the script file works. So we've got the new library called .env, which stores and reads our credentials for the Twitter. Here's the loading process. And we've got our authentication process. It's a little bit different. That part exactly is different because we need to load that credentials from the files, not from the variables. And this is the step number 2, which is about getting the data. This is the real call to the Twitter API. It's going to take the user tweets, so it's called user timeline, and we are just querying the Twitter API for the Elon Musk account. We are requesting 200 of his tweets, excluding the replies. If you don't want that, you can just basically remove that stuff and they will appear. And the most important part is the tweet mode extended. Twitter in the 2018 changed the way how the tweets work because they extended the limit of the length of a single tweet from 140 characters to 280 plus. So the tweet mode changes the limit from the 140 to more, and this basically changes the property name from the tweets objects coming to our computer. So the only change on our side is the property name. It's now called full text instead of just text. And the third step is to save the data. We are going to open up our CSV file with the encoding set to UTF-8. Here we are specifying the column names. We just want 2 columns, when it was created and the tweet itself. And for every tweet in the data, so coming from the tweepy, we are just going to write a row, a line into the text file, but pay a close attention to how the text property is being written, because before it's been written, the full text property is going to be processed by the demojify function. It's being declared in the beginning of the script, and it's being copied from the Stack Overflow. You can click the link here, and it's just the removal process of the emoji, because Elon Musk tweets too much emojis, in my opinion, and I don't want that in my dataset. If you are going to open up this CSV file in Excel, please do so by opening empty Excel, clicking Data, Import from CSV file, and in the Power Query window, just select UTF-8 and click Load, and it's gonna look way better. That's it for this video. If you like the content in this channel, please subscribe and give us a like. All the code is available in the description down below and on our GitHub account.